Hello traders, welcome back again to this educational video that FXCM has for you. My name is David Londoño. I'm a trader and also a market analyst. In today's video, we're going to be talking about psychology. Believe me guys, psychology in trading is a determining factor for your career and your development. So I will really recommend you to take notes on these psychological biases in trading we're going to be discussing today. So let's go for it. Now, psychological biases play a significant role in trading, as I was telling you before, and this can lead to irrational decision making, which is crucial for your path or in your career. So here are some common biases traders experience. Again, take your notes and find your own biases, so that way you can improve your skills. Let's just start with the overconfidence. Traders may overestimate their or our ability to predict market movements, and this leads us to make excessive risk or ignore warning signs. So in order to avoid this, risk management is a must on your trading development. Second, we have loss aversion. The fear of losses can cause traders to hold on to losing positions for too long, hoping they will turn profitable, or avoid taking necessary losses altogether. And personally, that's what had happened to me in the past. This is the bias I was struggled the most, loss aversion. So I will really recommend you to take notes on your losses. That way you will be improving in the future and you will be facing the loss that will happen. Lose is something that will happen in trading, so you have to get used to it and be stronger than the losses on your mind. Then we have the confirmation bias. Traders tend to seek out information that confirms their existing beliefs or trading decisions, ignoring contradictory evidence that could lead to better decisions. Recency bias. What does that mean? Traders give more weight to recent events of price movements, overlooking long-term trends or historical data. This happens a lot to scalpers, for example, or intraday traders, and well, there is that bias. If you struggle with that, always remember that higher time frames is it's the key of the movement, okay? Then we have anchoring. Traders may anchor their expectations or decisions to a specific price or outcome, even when new information suggests a different courses of action. So always having an open mind on your strategy or the movement you are expecting is recommended, okay? Then we have in the sixth place, herd mentality. Following the crowd or making sentiment without conducting independent analysis can lead to poor trading decisions. Or this is also considered like the FOMO, the fear of missing out a movement. So it's not recommended to make decisions under this bias. Then we have the availability bias. What does that mean? Traders we overweight information that is really available or easily recalled, such as recent news headlines or personal experiences, without considering the full range of relevant information. And finally, I think we all, or 99% of traders will struggle with this, gambler's fallacy. Believing that past outcomes influence future probabilities, traders may make irrational decisions based on the assumption that series of losses or gains will eventually reverse. And that's a gambler's mindset, and that's not what we do in trading. Okay, so recognizing and also mitigating these biases is essential, as I was telling you at the beginning, for us as traders to make informed decisions and manage risk effectively. So this can involve maintaining discipline, sticking to a training plan, and seeking feedback from peers or your mentor or or other traders, right? If you are interested in develop your psychology in a better way, I would recommend you, as I always do, one of our articles here on our FXCM platform. It is what are the basics of trading psychology. Once again, psychology is critical. Psychology is a determining factor in trading. So if you want to take one of my advices, take this one. Check this article, improve your psychology, and you will see the results in the future. So that will be all for this video. Hope you like it, and overall, I hope this helped you to improve your trading skills. I will see you, of course, on the next trading session.